Are you ready to buy your very own condominium, but still not sure because of market uncertainty, huge amount of down payments or balloon payments, location problems with issues about heavy traffic, heavy pollution, and security? You can now leave all your worries behind. Alam namin na ang hangarin ng bawat Pilipino ay ang magkaroon ng isang tahanan na maganda, malinis at matibay, at mapabilang sa isang komunidad na masaya at payapa. Kami sa Antilla Land ay naniniwala na ang magandang bahay na kalidad ay hindi kinakailangang maging mahal. At dito ninyo sa Antilla Land makikita ang simula ng isang pagbabago. Isang pagbabagong patungo sa maginhawang buhay. Live in comfort and convenience at very affordable prices at the Americana Residences. Mula sa pamumuno ni Mr. Emilio Perez Jr. or EPJ na naghatid ng mga natatanging real estate projects sa Bonifacio Global City, Makati Central Business District, Mandaluyong at iba pang lugar sa Metro Manila at maging sa Calabarzon area. Ang Antilla Land ay nandito para tumulong na maabot ang inyong mga pangarap para sa inyong buong pamilya. With EPJ's vision of bringing affordable yet quality homes to all, Americana Residences is indeed your start to a better life. Affordability with the best payment terms. Dito sa Americana Residences, we say no. No to reservation fee, no to down payment, no turnover amount, no interest, and no to balloon payment. Maaabot mo na ang pangarap mong condominium sa pamamagitan ng madali at maginhawang payment terms. Home ownership made easy. Live in convenience and comfort. Enjoy homes with modern and stylish designs. Handog ng Americana Residences ang kalidad at eleganteng tahanan para sa iyong pamilya. Maaaring pumili mula sa studio unit, 1-bedroom unit and 2-bedroom units sa proyektong ito na binubuo ng 4 mid-rise condominiums. Sa Americana Residences, makasisiguro kayo na ang return of investment nyo ay napakalaki at napakabilis ng balik. The best amenities available. Aside from giving you the home of your dreams, Americana Residences builds for you a community that you will surely adore. Hatid ng Americana Residences ang mga bukod-tanging amenities katulad ng maluwag na 60-40 open space to housing ratio, flood-free community, jogging path at promenade, central fountain na may children's playground, water amenities katulad ng adult at kiddie pools, pati na rin isang wave pool, ang natatanging tri-mini, ang mini library, mini theater at mini bar, modern security system at ang Club Americana na eksklusibo para sa mga maswerteng makakabili ng shares nito. Availability and accessibility. Americana Residences is very close to major destinations. It is accessible via the North Luzon Expressway or NLEX and C5, just a few minutes away from Northern Metro Manila. It is located near major establishments like malls, department stores, hospitals, churches, and universities, and the world's largest arena. Napakaginhawa sa Americana dahil malapit ka sa lahat ng iyong mga kailangang puntahan. Our utmost priority is your happiness and safety and the quality of our project. Like we always say here in Antilla Land, affordability without sacrificing quality. We make sure that our projects are affordable to all while putting first your happiness, the things that you will enjoy, and your safety. Hatid namin dito sa Americana Residences ang maginhawang pabahay na abot kaya para sa lahat. So make that decision and choose Americana Residences. Ang Americana ang simula ng iyong maginhawang buhay.